Always have a belief in a higher power, no matter what the name. Make sure you believe in a higher power. I don't care what the power is. Believe in it and you will achieve what you set out to achieve. Because if you can believe in it, it will empower your belief in you. How's that? You may ask, how does believing in something higher make you believe in you even more? See, when you believe in something higher, you give way for a part of your brain to open up. That part of your brain that's usually closed when you're just walking around doing the regular day-to-day, when you say, I believe, it opens something up because now it knows that it's supposed to do something major because your belief is that powerful. Your belief is what leads you. It's what moves you. It's what gives you purpose. Your belief is a strength. It's a beast in your life if you hold on to it. Facts. So, believe in a higher power. Increase your belief in you. Welcome to the Illski Show, where we talk success, prosperity, and vision.